Upgrading to a new Google Pixel. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to transfer contacts between pixels, ensuring a quick and hassle-free migration. Way 1. How to export contacts from pixel to pixel during phone setup. How to use. Start setting up your new pixel and choose Copy Data. Connect the pixels via USB-C or Wi-Fi. Confirm connection, select Contacts, and start the transfer. Wait for completion and finish the setup. Way 2. Transfer contacts from Google Pixel to Google Pixel with VCF File. How to use. On old Pixel, export contacts to VCF. Transfer a VCF to new Pixel. Port contacts from VCF on new Pixel. Wait for contacts to appear. Way 3. Transfer contacts from one pixel to another via Data Transfer Tool. Connect pixels with the cable. Open Data Transfer Tool on the new pixel. Grant permission on the old pixel. Select Contacts and tap Copy. Wait for transfer to finish. Way 4. Transfer contacts from pixel to pixel with an expert program. Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows Mac allows full contact migration between pixels with speed and flexibility. Only a few steps are required. Connect phones, select contacts, and start the transfer process. How to use. Install Transfer for mobile and launch it. Connect both Android phones via USB. Flip the source phone if needed. Select Contacts and click Start Copy. Wait for the transfer to complete.